Today I want to speak briefly on the topic of fingering, and when we're playing the 7 notes of the scale, we divide it into 4 and 3. That is, 4 fingers play 4 notes and then 3 play the others. Now in the case of the C major scale, it's not really critical whether you place the 4 first or the 3 first. For example, let us place the 3 first. We go C, D, E, then we bring the thumb underneath and we go F, G, A, B. So we see that we've used 4 fingers, F, G, A, B, after we've used the first 3 for C, D, and E. But we could also do 4 first and 3 after, because where we're dealing with all white notes, spacing is not a problem. So I could go C, D, E, F and then bring the thumb underneath and go G, A, B, C. Or G, A, B actually, because C repeats. Okay? So we're always going to have to bring the thumb underneath to go up to another octave. So for example, I would go, if I'm going to go the 3-4, 3-4 arrangement, I would go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, and repeat all the way up the keyboard. If I'm going to go the 4 arrangement, I'll go C, D, E, F, A, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and then I'll keep, whoa. But whenever we're going from one octave to the next, we are going to bring the thumb underneath the other fingers to make the transition smooth, like so. Okay? Now what happens when we move to the scales involving black notes is that because the spacing between the arrangement of the keyboard shows that we have a spacing of 3 and then a spacing of 2 with a wider space here, the fingering is going to be pretty much determined by what you can accomplish with your hand, and therefore it's not going to be it's not really going to be a situation where you don't mind whether you use 3 or 4. You're going to have to use one or the other, just depending on the layout of the scale. In the D flat scale, the thumb always plays the 2 white notes of the scale. So the thumb is going to land on the F and the C, which, as you can see here, are white notes. Everything else in the scale is a black note. So basically we would go Well folks, that's it for today. Happy practicing, and just remember that the correct fingering is the one that allows you to play swiftly and smoothly with evenness and dexterity. And that's it for today. Have a wonderful time practicing and enjoy your music.